walking in to shoot point blank, the first thing you see is you're going to see a variety of firearms, long rifles, handguns, shotguns. It's going to be a big variety and a lot of stuff to choose from. Those are all purchasable firearms. They are a certified FFL dealer, so they do transfers, and they do sell all of these firearms that you see. A lot of options, Too many to count. Alright, you all, just a quick field strip. Before we start shooting, you want to make sure that your slide is retracted backwards. Put your takedown lever facing down, let the slide ride forward. You do not have to pull the trigger. The recoil spring can be removed as far as the barrel. You can put it back in the same way you take it out. It's pretty much like a Glock or any modern day firearm. Now, the special part of this gun is being able to remove the firing component. You want to twist your takedown lever counterclockwise, pull up on your firing component. You may have to retract your trigger a tad bit. Now, there is a lever in your beaver tail. You want to make sure that they line up perfectly. Retract your trigger, boom, it should snap right in. Nice and easy. Now, that is a Olight Mini that I've got on this firearm. If you guys are looking for a review on that, I can definitely do that. Now, to put your takedown lever back in, you want to put it in the reverse faction of what you did to take it out. Sometimes it takes a little force. This is a brand new gun. Put your slide on, retract it backwards, lock your takedown back the way it was. Test for function. You guys are ready to rock and roll. Let's shoot.